You gonna be okay there? You're neurotic. You know that's Dewey's favorite toy, right? And you know that he's not allowed to play with your toy, right? Hey, chicken monkey. Come on, get the boy, get the toy. I think he's frustrated. In your water dish. Oh, you're not taking it outside. No way. It's gonna get lost in there. Then I'm gonna have to mow the snow. Can you share your toy for today? I don't think you have a choice. I wouldn't try to take that away from him if I were you. You're nuts. You're nuts. You're crazy, 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 crazy. Yes? Come on, go get it. Get down. Good boy. Where's your toy?